Mr. A from India, who owns 2 companies, thought that he had secured a great deal for 50 tons of steel with a supplier in Hebei. After receiving the payment of 750,000, the seller refused to deliver the goods, came up with all sorts of excuses, and even tried to negotiate the price after everything had already been settled. When our client asked for the money back, the seller went completely silent. That's when he turned to us for help. We knew right away that this was a clear breach of contract, so we advised to file immediately at court. The key here was evidence, and we had all the WhatsApp chats and emails notarized in India and legalized at the Chinese embassy. It was quite some paperwork for our client, but it made our case rock solid. Once we had the documents ready, we filed the case. Normally, these kind of cross-border international cases can drag up to a year, but we managed to secure a trial date just 3 months after submitting the claim. At the hearing, the seller's lawyer tried blaming COVID-19 for delays, but the judge was not buying it. The order was placed in June 2021, well after the world had been dealing with the pandemic for over a year. The judge pointed out that the seller should have known the risks when they signed the contract, so they couldn't use COVID as an excuse for blanking out. A few months later, just as we expected, the judge ruled in our favor, supporting the full amount sent, plus interest and a refund of litigation fees. So if your Chinese supplier is ghosting you, sending you rubbish products, or stealing your deposits, do not let it slide. Contact me now for a confidential consultation, and we will get your money back.